onefootflipper.
Hi everybody, Paige the 1 Foot Flipper. This is not going to be a long one. This is not going to be my normal daily video, but I'm just seeing video after video from resellers who are completely confused about the changeover from first class to ground advantage and what they need to do. So I'm just going to go over the most basic and easy thing you can do to just go right through the change with no problems whatsoever. And now you should be using business policies, by the way. If you're not using business policies, changes like this mess you up. It's another reason why you should be, but let's look at things. What you're going to want to do is identify all your listings that are first class shipping. Now, if you're offering people choices between first class shipping and priority mail, I'm sorry for you. That's all I can say there. Or you're going to just want to get rid of that temporarily. I don't like to give customers choices on how their items are being shipped. It just makes more expenses for me, more trouble for me. But you're going to want to identify all of your first class items, such as, let's pretend that the things I have clicked here are my first class items. I'm going to edit them. I'm going to edit selected. Now we're going to go into, what are we going to go into? We want to click all of them, bulk edit. In my case, it's shipping policy because I use shipping policies, and we're going to change to a policy. You want to change to a policy of just a flat rate shipping policy. It doesn't need to. That doesn't specify anything. I would just suggest putting $5.49 or $5.99 as a flat rate shipping policy for your first class items for now, and you're going to change all of them to that. If you're not using shipping policies, it's going to look a little bit different, but you can still make the same changes. Then you change all of your items to that, so it's no longer saying what sort of shipping you're doing. It would basically just be standard shipping is what you'd be selecting. I'm unable to actually show the standard shipping thing right now because I am only using shipping policies, but you're just going to want to change everything to standard shipping with a price, and then that breaks the link between what actual type of shipping that you're going to be using. And then you're going to ride through it just fine. In fact, I'm going to edit my first class shipping policy right now. I'm still going to call it first class. Oh, mine actually already says standard shipping. It doesn't even say... Okay, see how mine here, you can choose the different things? Mine already says standard shipping, which means I can ship it however I want to, and my first class items are going to roll through this with no problems whatsoever. So that's what you're going to want to do. Either start using business policies and turn it all to standard shipping for the first class items for now. You can change it after the rollover if you want to. Or if you're already using shipping policies, just change your first class policies to standard shipping policies, and this whole thing goes away. Oh, if you're trying to manage eBay on your phone, this is another reason not to be doing that, because everything I said here that can be done in minutes could take you absolutely days to do. Do not try to manage eBay on your phone, even if you've done it for years or you see other people say they're doing it. Managing eBay on your phone is fine unless you want to do things to more than one listing at a time, in which case it becomes a nightmare. If that's the situation you're in, I'm sorry. Go borrow a computer from somebody, or you can try to enter eBay through the web browser on your phone and force desktop mode and do it that way. It'll be a lot clunkier, but you can probably still do it.